Are you more inclined to possibly run for Senate after seeing the results of the three races in New York?
I think, I'm sorry, I'm not going to be breaking any news here. As I inspired and encouraged by all the new faces that we're going to be sending to the state assembly and to Congress next year.
Are those campaigns, you think, a blueprint for Democrats nationally in terms of their positions on Israel, for example?
Well, I think it's not just about it's not only about our substantive positions, but also how we organize and run as well.